Anatol's new formula. Whether you're mixing a quart, gallon, or 5-gallon bucket, Anatol includes 3 separate mixing blades. The exclusive Quick Connect locking system adjusts to any size container with 4 powerful, huge jaws securing the ink and ensuring thorough mixing. The touchscreen control panel has 3 modes of operation. In manual, auto, or custom mode, you can set the mixing speed and also select the direction of rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. In auto mode, you can set speed, direction, and time. In custom mode, you can set the machine to change speed and direction multiple times over the course of the mixing process. When complete, a loud beep will notify you. Driven by a heavy-duty variable speed motor, Anatol's Formulator ink mixer produces torque and speed to stand up to the toughest mixing jobs.